Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Garrett.
And we are the Leffersons.
Yes, we are. We're coming at you with some festival pins. What kind of festival is it, Alyssa?
The Flower and Garden Festival. These are the Flower and Garden Festival potted plants. So, of course, we did not go to Flower and Garden Festival this year. We haven't been yet. We were supposed to go in March. That obviously did not happen because it was closed. So I actually purchased these off of eBay because I just could not wait until the parks opened again. So I'm wondering though what they're gonna do with all the extras now that they're putting like the limited edition pins up online. I wonder if they're gonna start,
I don't know,
putting like these mystery boxes on there. I don't know, but Garrett, do you want to talk about what's on the back? What our options are?
So these are all plant themed, hence the Flower and Garden, and they're all like little pots. So you have your honey pot from Winnie the Pooh, you got Chip, got Dr. Facilia's hat from Princess and the Frog, Aladdin's genie's lamp, technically.
That's Alice in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland.
Themed. It's the what?
Mad Hatter.
Yeah, the Mad
And then
Hatter.
you got Mickey Minnie, It's a Small World, the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, and Wally. I'm happy with all these, to be honest. They're super cute.
They are
And
adorable and
now,
they're super springy.
The difference is these have 2 pins per box.
Yeah.
So we have 4 boxes, total of 8 pins, and there is a total of 10 in the entire collection. So
I didn't purchase more than 4 because I don't really care to get the Alice in Wonderland one.
and we're gonna get 8 Alice in Wonderlands. I'm calling it right now.
Yeah, I don't really know, but I'd be pretty happy with all of them. Obviously, like my top ones are Winnie the Pooh, the Honey Pot,
Obviously.
and Wally for you.
Yes.
I also really like the Mine Train one, and I really like the Small World one. And before we even get started, let's just talk about how I'm in my flower and garden gear. I've got my ears on that are super flowery that
And
I will
those are
link
from?
down below. They're from Best Ever Ears Co.
That's it.
And then I'm also wearing my floral shirt that I just got from Target. It's not Disney themed, but I wore it to Flower and Garden last year. So I'm just acting like I'm there right now.
I'm just wearing a shirt. So, in each box comes 2 pins and these blind bags, and you can kind of have a little fun and try and feel around on them and figure it out. But who knows? I don't know what this is. I kept on trying to look, but then I don't want you to look at the top of my head. I don't know. Let's just open them and see.
Ooh, and they're like harder bags to open.
Oh, they are. They're tougher than usual.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought I got. I wasn't 100% sure.
Oh, yay.
So far,
Good one.
so good. We're opening up with our lamp, the genie's lamp from Aladdin, and the flowers inside are kind of themed along with the movie.
Yeah, they're kind of like the colors of like Jasmine's dress, and they're really pretty.
And they're a reasonably sized pin.
Yeah.
I mean, then on the back there, on this little spout, it says a limited release, since these are festival pins. But there we go. It's a nice little start to the shebango.
All right, I already have one open and I haven't looked at it yet. So this is a different box. So hopefully it's not it is a new one. We've got the Dr. Facilier hat.
And I like, are those orchids? No, those are no.
I'm not good with flowers.
I'm terrible with flowers.
What flowers are these, guys? They're very pretty. Like really, really pretty. I'm really happy that we got this pin for my Princess and the Frog collection. Fun.
All right, I'm gonna say that this is the Mad Hatter. I'm calling it right now. I haven't opened it yet.
All right,
But
all
it
right.
feels, it has the feel of the Mad
I
Hatter's
don't know
hat.
how you can tell.
Because I am a genius.
You really are.
Mad Hatter's hat.
One of the ones that I least wanted.
Now, do you know why they called Hatters mad? Do you know that? Do you know why?
I don't know.
Because they used a chemical in the creation or the building of the hats, and once they inhaled enough of it, like, it made them go crazy.
How do you know these things?
Again, I coached Scholastic Bowl for like 5 years.
Yeah, that's
Come
true.
on.
That's
And
true.
I Google everything.
All right, let's see. Oh, yay!
Yeah, that's a good one.
We got the Small World one. Oh, and I didn't even notice.
That's
In
cool.
the flower up on top, it says hello. That is so cute. And you've got like the clock head here, the
Clock
icon.
face.
The clock. You've got the clock face here that represents Small World. This is so cute. I'm so glad we got this one. Yay! These are beautiful. All right, we need the honey pot.
I think I may have it.
Really?
I think. Let me feel.
I also thought it might also be Small World again. Because I feel like Small World and Honey Pot kind of have the same shape.
Or it's Seven Dwarves. I'm calling there's two little lumps on the bottom.
I'm okay with either one of those.
And I think it's Seven Dwarves.
Nice!
And
that's a good one.
No.
Oh, that's a really good one. I love that.
I'm gonna take the details on it. Hold on, let's there we go. So in the pictures it doesn't show that, it shows like the silver wood grain there, and then the flowers are all little diamonds, but so are the leaves. They're like little rubies. They look like they're from Zelda. But I love this.
It really reminds me of like when you're in the queue and they have all those little things that the kids can touch. I know that that's probably not going to happen anymore at this point with everything going on, but that was like a really fun part for the kids to play with. Okay, so this is another really big one. I'm thinking this might, I don't know what this is. Let's be real.
Okay.
I don't know. I was gonna say Mine Train as well, but
no guesses even.
I don't think I'm good at guessing these things. Is really what this comes down to. I think it's another Dr. Facilier. That's what I was thinking it was.
Oh, how convenient.
It's another Dr. Facilier hat. Our first double. That's okay. That's all right. That's a good double to have. I like that one.
All right, and this is another double. I can tell you right now.
Really?
Yep, it's gonna be.
No.
It's the hat. It's the Mad Hatter's hat.
We would get two of those.
Yeah, because you said you didn't want them. So, per unbagging rules.
Oh no.
Oh nope, that's a lie. I was off. It is another Dr. Facilier.
No.
So we're on 3 of them.
Great.
And
I have one more pin.
This is your last one.
And I am pretty sure I opened a double box. I'm just gonna throw that out there. I'm pretty sure this is Small World again. So I just opened 2 of the same box.
Or Pooh.
No, it's definitely the shape of, I can't get it open, but it's definitely the shape of Small World. Because it's got the flat on the bottom. I can't get it open. Yep.
Oh, Pooh.
It's another Small World.
All right.
Boo. And we still didn't get Pooh. Of course we didn't. Why wouldn't we? Of course we didn't. I don't know. Is anyone still trading these pins? You guys will have to let us know if anyone still has the Honey Pot for trade because... Oh, we didn't get the Wally one for you.
No,
the little boot.
There they are all together. A lot of Dr. Faciliers.
And 2 Small Worlds.
So if you're into Dr. Facilier in Small World, hit us up.
Yes, let us know.
Instagram, the Leffersons.
Instagram, the Leffersons.
Yup.
That's us.
That's
let
us.
us know. What's your favorite pin of the ones that we've opened?
I think the Seven Doors Mine Train.
I really like that
nice
one.
and detailed, and it's a hefty pin.
It is definitely the biggest one of all of them. And I feel like... Ooh, I also really like that one, but I also really like the Small World one.
Yeah, I thought that's what
Even though I have 2 of them, I am really happy that I got that one because it's super duper cute. You guys will have to comment down below and let us know what your favorite is of all of these. And if you've unboxed these, if you've had the pleasure to unbox them, what did you guys get?
And if you got doubles,
hit us up. Seriously, I'm hoping that they end up releasing these, especially if the parks don't open for the summer.
Yeah.
I would hope that they would release them on Shop Disney because
who knows?
I don't know. You just really don't know what's gonna happen. But that was a fun unboxing.
It was. It's always nice.
Not too bad. We didn't do too bad.
No.
All right. Well, before we leave you, we have some special news because.
Or you leave us. Stick around.
So today is Tuesday, right, Garrett? Tuesday,
yes.
April 21st.
Yup.
Tomorrow is Garrett's birthday.
And Earth Day.
Garrett's birthday and Earth Day, but Garrett's birthday is on Earth Day.
Yes, it is. Because I was a gift to the earth.
So we thought, or maybe I thought.
You thought.
Since we are going to be quarantined and in the house and Garrett's not going to be able to go anywhere, we figured we'd host a little live birthday party for Garrett.
It's going to be a blast, let me tell you.
It's going to be so
There's going to
great.
be cake, there's going to be presents, there's going to be drinks. It's gonna be a great party. Now on your side, I don't know. That's up to you.
That's
but
up
that's
to
what
you.
I'm gonna
But
have
I
here.
hope that you guys are able to celebrate with us. We are gonna go live on YouTube on Wednesday, so tomorrow, April 22nd, at what time you wanna do it?
7 o'clock Disney time?
Okay, so 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
That's 6 o'clock Central.
So 6 o'clock Central, 4 o'clock Pacific. You guys, the rest of you can figure it out.
Google it.
Google it, but that is when we're gonna be on. I hope that you guys can make it. If you guys can't make it, you'll be able to watch it after, and maybe, I don't know, we're gonna try to, this is gonna be our first time doing a live, so you'll just have to bear with us. It might be like...
It's gonna be fantastic. It's my party, and I'll cry if I want to.
Yes, so feel free to join us. Make sure you tune in. Set your alarms right now.
Hit the bell icon too.
Yes,
because that will
exactly. If you subscribe to our channel and you hit the notification bell icon, then it notifies you whenever a video comes up, and if we go live, so you'll literally never miss another video from us. How wonderful!
Your life would be so much better.
Hope that you guys can join us for Garrett's birthday tomorrow. Let's make this day extra, extra special by tuning in and just hanging out with us.
Yeah, we're just gonna hang out, probably have some music on, hang out, do whatever.
It's gonna be a great time.
Yeah.
So if you enjoyed this video, please give it that big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And of course, as we've said already, subscribe to our channel for more Disney content and for Garrett's birthday. Yay. See you guys later, or tomorrow if you're gonna be there. Bye.
See you tomorrow, right? Right, tomorrow. Don't skip my birthday.